Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will do a movement which is called a reverse horizontal 8, and as the name suggests, it's a horizontal 8 but in reverse, of course. So if you haven't had a chance to check out the standard horizontal 8, click this link and go to this instructional video, so you'll have a better idea about what is going on in this video. So we start with our basic proper body posture: feet parallel, knees are slightly bent, pelvis is tucked in, belly is long, chest is opened. And we will once again start with a twist in our hips. So we twist the hips, the upper body stays to the front, and now I want to start the movement with the hip which is in the back, so it will be the left hip. And in this diagonal position I can once again do the slide without changing the position, the level of my hips. So I do the slide to the left diagonal and then twist, and do the slide to the right diagonal and twist, slide to the left diagonal, twist, slide to the right diagonal, twist, slide to the left diagonal, twist, and slide to the right diagonal, twist. So the movement is horizontal, so it is flat. You don't want to have the change in your position of your knees, because then you will have the change in your body weight. So the knees are in one position. Once again, you can try at first to do this movement with straight knees, but then please try to come back to our proper belly dance body posture. And now you want to draw an 8 which is on the floor in a flat manner. So hips once again are in the same position all the time, in accordance to level, of course. Then you twist, go to the left diagonal and then draw the first part of the 8. And right diagonal and change. Left and change. Right and change. The knees are also drawing a little 8, but they're not changing their level. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. You're working from the back to the front, from the back to the front. The pelvis is in one position. You don't want your tailbone to go outside. You are working only with the twist and slide in a round manner. And 1 and 2 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 and 1 and 2. And very good idea is to make the standard horizontal 8 in exchange with the reverse horizontal 8, because we tend to, when we do the reverse horizontal 8, we tend to stop thinking at some point and we go back to the standard horizontal 8. So in order to have a clear vision of the directions our hips should be working, it's good to make this movement one after another. So let's try it with the first standard horizontal 8. So I twist my hips and now I'm going from the front to the back. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and standard. 1, 2, 3, 4 and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and standard. 1, 2, 3, 4 and reverse. 1, 2, 3 and stay in the reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is how you do a reverse horizontal 8. So if you like this episode, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss new episodes of Belly Dance with Tahira series. And if you have any questions or doubts, leave a comment below and I will answer. And if you are interested in more advanced content, for example, more advanced combos or variations of different movements, if you want to gather information about culture, history, language, psychology, all Oriental dance related, I invite you to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course, here on my YouTube channel. And I also invite you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And of course, let's meet here next week for the new instructional video. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!